What's going on, YouTube? Chef Jay here, back with another amazing video. And on this video right here, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make shotgun shells. Pasta shotgun shells, man. It's going to be very good. And let me tell you something. It's also a good grilling recipe. So when you're out there in your backyard, you're grilling, make this right here, throw it on the grill. You won't regret it. Trust me, it's that good. But yeah, you can also do it in the oven too, which I'm about to do is do it in the oven. And there's plenty of ways you can do it. You can smoke them, grill them, put them in the oven, whatever you want to do with them. Just don't boil them. All right, y'all. So if this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel. You won't regret it. Thumbs this video up, and let's light this kitchen on fire. Pasta shotgun shells. Let's go. Fam, the ingredients you're only gonna need for this recipe is some sweet Italian sausage. Any type of bacon that you use. Today I'm using hickory smoked bacon, the best bacon to use for me. You're gonna need some sharp cheddar cheese, and you're also gonna need some string cheese. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do with that in a second. But right now, I got my bowl here, and I'm about to break down these sausages. Let me get my gloves on. Okay, I got my gloves on. Let's get to making it, y'all. All right. Real nice, easy recipe, man. It tastes better on the grill, but since it's winter time and I'm indoors, I'm just gonna use my oven. But if this was summertime, this would be going on the grill. So yeah, break your sausage down, just like that. Okay. So what you're gonna do now? Get you some chopped chives, or get any type of greenery that you want to use. Put you some greenery in there. All right, just like so. Then open up your sharp cheddar cheese. You can also use mozzarella cheese too. All right, so you're gonna get your cheddar cheese. You're gonna break that down in there, just like that. And then we're gonna blend them all together. And blend it all together. Get that cheese incorporated with that sausage. Just like that, fam. All right. Now, this is gonna be our ammo. This is the bullets that we're gonna put into our shotgun shells. All right. So now we're gonna slide this back, and you're also gonna need you some of these manicotti. Let me show y'all what it look like. These right here. These right here, baby. All right. This is gonna be your shells. Okay. Now we're gonna load this bad boy up. All right. Let me get my string cheese. Nice and to cut up, because we're gonna put us some we're gonna cut these down like about this much apart. Okay, we're gonna cut those down right now. Excuse me. Yep, we're gonna cut them bad boys down. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cap the shells off with the cheese. Sometimes it's hard to get the doggone cheese out. That's one. All right. Get this little piece out of here too. All right. About that size right there. That's the part where we need. So we gonna do like this. Okay. Get the other little piece out of here. Okay. Then we're gonna open up another one because we're gonna need all the parts of this as possible. I'm telling y'all gonna want to try this, especially when you're grilling. Oh my God, it is delicious. You will not regret it. Trust me, it's that good. All right. All right, let's start with that. Okay. So now we got get our shells. What we're gonna do is, hope y'all can see that. Get our shells, and what we're gonna do is gonna put this ammo inside the shell. Smash it in with your pinky finger. Let it get all the way in there. Just take your time. If that don't work for you, get like the end of a spoon, like I'm about to do now, and then push it on in there, just like that. I'm gonna stuff it. That's the whole idea, is to fill the middle with that good old sausage. Well, you call it ammo. See, it's going in there? It's going in there now. Try not to break the shell, y'all. Try not to break the shell. Okay? Okay. Alright, see, it's half packed. See how it's half packed? We're gonna push that all the way down, just like that. Alright, then we're gonna come in with the cheese. We're gonna fill the top up with cheese. Like that. And just like you're gonna do with the other side, fill the top up with cheese. I'll put 3 on this side. Okay, just like so. Now see, those sides right here is covered. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, since we got that out the way, I'm gonna open up this pack of bacon. Take that bacon, one strip of bacon, right? We're gonna try to wrap this bad boy up like a mummy with this bacon. Okay. Get it nice and tight. So get another piece because that wasn't enough. And just finish wrapping it up. Just like that. See? Look how nice that looks. Alright? So I'm going to put that one in my pan over here. I'm going to put that in the pan just like that. And I'm going to do the rest of them. Okay, fam. So far, this is where I'm at. Okay? I'm down to the last one. Down to the last one now, fam. Last one. Okay, just simply get your bacon. After you done stuffed it with all the cheese and the sausage, just wrap that bad boy up like a mummy. Just like that, fam. Real simple to do. See how good that look? Then just put it in the pan. All right? 2 more to do. All right? I found out an easier way to stuff these bad boys. Just go ahead and push it down. Keep folding it up. And pushing it in there little by little. Just like that. See how easy that is? It's going in there. That's what I should have been doing from the jump. But I said, forget that. You know, sometimes you get a lot to learn, man. You gotta learn. You gotta teach yourself how to do new things, man. But I figured it out. See how all that went in there? Just like that. Then you just take your finger, press the rest down just like that. Get your cheese. Stuff that bad boy up. Just like that. On both sides. That's your bullets. Then you get that bacon wrap. Get that bacon. Once again, wrap that bad boy like a mummy. Hold that like that. Just go around it just like that. Just like that, fam. Voila. There it is. Put it in the pan. Alright, I guess I got to try to squeeze 2 more. I'm gonna try to finish it. Okay. Do it like the same way I did. Slowly put that bad boy in there. I ain't made this in a long time. Last time I made this was on a different YouTube channel. I wonder if Slim know about this, because he done been following us for years on YouTube. Slim, if you're watching this, let me know if you remember this recipe right here, because I made it on the old channel. Put your cheese bullets in there, like that. Just like that, fam. Get your bacon. You can't go wrong with this recipe, man. It's good for like an appetizer when you're grilling. Yeah, when you're grilling, it's a good appetizer, man. So if you want your company to eat something before the food get done or whatever, this would be the perfect one thing to make. All right, I'm gonna try this last one, man. Hopefully I got enough. All right, let's see. I know I could probably do it. All right, let's see, fam. Last one. Yeah, it's going in there. Yeah, that's the last little piece of hamburger. And guess what, fam? I only had one shell left. I done opened both boxes. Okay, bullets. Almost forgot. Got to put the bullets in there. Got to put the bullets in there. Yes, sir. Buckshot, buckshot. Wrap that bad boy like a mummy. Okay, I'm gonna clean up my mess. This is it, y'all. That's it. So I'm gonna season it up, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. See y'all in a minute. Okay, fam. That goes the stuffings, the pasta shells. Okay, so now I'm about to give it a little seasoning. Some adobo seasoning salt. This is totally optional. If you don't want to season it, you don't have to. Okay, a little bit of chopped chives. Yeah, and when I'm done baking them, I'm gonna glaze them with some barbecue sauce. Throw them back in there. Let them what you call that? Let them stick a little bit, and that's it, man. Let's go. All right, fam. I just took them bad boys out the oven. And I'm about to put that barbecue sauce on them bad boys, fam. And man, they got that doggone kitchen smelling wonderful. Wonderful, you hear me? Got it smelling wonderful. Yeah. Y'all know what kind of sauce I'm about to put on there. Some Sweet Baby Ray's, baby. Yes, sir. Yeah. Get that barbecue brush. And go right all through them bad boys and throw them bitches back to the oven. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm in there watching me some soul food tea. If y'all ain't got soul food tea, y'all better go get it. That woman knows she can cook. Yeah, me and Soul Food Tea, we started cooking on YouTube around the same time. Yeah, we started cooking on YouTube around the same time, fam. Yeah. It was me, Soul Food Tea, Gina in the Kitchen with Gina Young, Smoking and Grilling with AB. All of us started together on YouTube, man. There's some real good people, man. Real good people. But yeah, that's what I'm in there watching now. She in there making some doggone chicken sliders. I think I'm gonna do that recipe, some chicken sliders. Cause them bad boys looking good. Yeah, man. She showed me just now some good stuff. So yeah, man, I might end up making that one in another video. So y'all stick around for that. But yeah, that's the barbecue. That's the barbecue shotgun shells. Pasta shotgun shells, y'all.